Israel targets Iran's nuclear sites and military commanders in major attack. The IDF says it carried out strikes on nuclear sites in Iran and claims Revolutionary Guard Chief Hossein Salami and other commanders have been killed. Iranian state TV said residential areas in Tehran were hit and civilians were among those killed, including children, though this could not be independently verified. The attack is part of Operation Rising Lion, Israel's PM Benjamin Netanyahu says, adding Iran was a threat to Israel's very survival. Israel has declared a state of emergency, saying the country expected counterattacks in the immediate future. Dufresne adds that the Chief of Staff of the Iranian Army, the commander of Iran's Islamic Revolution Guard Corps, IRGC, and the commander of Iran's Emergency Command were killed in last night's strikes. Iranian state media also reported earlier that Hossein Salami, the Revolutionary Guard chief, has been killed. As a reminder, a state of emergency has been declared in Israel. If you're just joining us, here's what you need to know. Israel has launched strikes across Iran, saying they targeted the heart of Iran's nuclear program. The strikes have killed Hossein Salami, chief of Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guards. Secretary of State Marco Rubio has said the U.S. was not involved in the strikes and did not provide any assisting. Spokesperson for Iran's armed forces has said that both the U.S. and Israel will pay a heavy price for the strikes following an unprecedented series of Israeli